Okay, first have a sparkle motion, and then I'll talk about the other stuff.
Okay, Lady Ada, what is this?
We're testing out a board. I'm getting back into some hardware after spending way too many weeks doing tariff math and analysis and dealing with our supply chain. So this is the Sparkle Motion stick. And for folks who remember, I actually started this design kind of back in November. I got, like, during the holiday season, some of these. Well, this had like a little pixel LED NeoPixel thing on the end. And this has like a cheapy Bluetooth chip, and it has like an app that you would use to control it. It's only powered over USB. You can see there's no data lines. And the chip is like BLE only, and then there's a couple modes. There's like a button, but I liked this idea of like a stick. And then I found this USB case that snaps. It's kind of a generic USB case, and it has a button, which I really liked. I like
Then
the
you
button.
designed the PCB around an
I just,
existing case.
Yeah, so this was like, this was just like me getting the design kind of started, and then trying to get it to fit into the case, and like I screwed up a little bit, and then I realized I had to extend this out like a little bit more, and I tweaked some things. One thing that was actually an interesting tweak, speaking of this, audio reactive mode, is on the original design, I put the microphone here, but actually, see how it's really close to the body of the ESP32. This was actually, the mic wasn't working. Like, data was coming out, but it was all zeros or very low values. It wasn't reacting to audio. And I think what happened is the flux from the paste on the ESP32, because there's a lot of pads underneath, would leak out and it would clog into the hole. So on this version, I actually put the mic on the opposite side, and it's okay that it's close to the ESP because the hole is, I kind of made a little bit of space. I gave it like a millimeter or two around. And now it's working great.
It was great.
So yeah, what I like is that, we're going to have this low cost translucent case. The ESP is on the bottom. There's a nice, you can even see the ground plane is removed. So a nice big area free of interference. This button. And then, there's an infrared receiver here. There's an onboard LED, power LED, and signal LED if you look up here. So power good LED. This is a signal LED. There's a light pull up on this I have to remove. And a built-in NeoPixel. So you can also use this for, Arduino or CircuitPython or MicroPython work. But of course, it's great for WLED. And this is the GEQ demo, just me testing out that the microphone's working. So, a little bit of a long video, but just wanted to catch up on the multiple designs that we've gone through. But this is ready to go. Going to book this. Unfortunately, espresso chips are tariffed now. So this is going to be a little bit more expensive than used to be. But, using engineering and design, I'm going to try to keep the cost as low as possible. Using an off-the-shelf case helps, right? No 3D printing, no injection molding. So get this into the shop in a couple weeks.
Well, that said, it's 12:17 p.m., April 29th, 2025. Everything could be different and changed by the time this video is uploaded.
That's true. I haven't checked CNN.
This is not medical advice.
Okay.
Woo doo 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 doo. Okay.
Okay, and then